Can employment contracts include non-disclosure agreements? In today's fast-paced world of labor and employment law, a pressing question is on the minds of many. Can employment contracts include non-disclosure agreements? This topic is increasingly relevant as businesses and employees navigate the complexities of confidentiality in the workplace. Just yesterday, discussions intensified around the use of non-disclosure agreements, often referred to as NDAs, especially in light of recent legal developments. Employment contracts frequently incorporate non-disclosure agreements to protect sensitive business information. These agreements serve to keep confidential details about a company, its clients, and its operations from being shared with outside parties. This practice is common across various industries, particularly those that handle proprietary information. However, the landscape is shifting. In the United Kingdom, the government is currently proposing legislation that would ban non-disclosure agreements in cases involving workplace harassment or discrimination. If this proposal passes, any non-disclosure agreement related to such incidents would be rendered void. Employees would then have the freedom to discuss their experiences openly. This significant change is part of the Employment Rights Bill, which is expected to be implemented by the year 2027. This proposed legislation comes after years of advocacy from various organizations and activists who argue that non-disclosure agreements have been misused to silence victims of workplace misconduct. The new rules would also empower witnesses to speak out without fear of legal repercussions. While some experts express concerns about the potential consequences of banning non-disclosure agreements, such as employers hesitating to settle claims, it is clear that the law is evolving. If employers cannot guarantee confidentiality, disputes may escalate, leading to more cases being taken to court or employment tribunals. It is essential for both employers and employees to stay informed about these changes. Understanding how non-disclosure agreements can be used in employment contracts is crucial, especially with the possibility of new regulations on the horizon. If you have questions about how these developments could impact your workplace, seeking legal advice may be a wise step.